In this video, you'll learn how to connect Calendly to Make.com. By following these instructions, you will set up an automated workflow that triggers actions based on events in Calendly and enhancing your productivity and efficiency. Begin by opening the Make.com website in your preferred web browser. Once the page loads, log into your Make account using your credentials. After successfully logging in, locate and click the button labeled Create a New Scenario. This action will take you to the scenario creation interface. Next, you will need to add the Calendly module to your scenario. Click the plus sign, which is typically located in the scenario builder. In the search bar that appears, type Calendly to find the module. Once you see it in the drop-down list, select it. You will then be prompted to choose a trigger. The options available include watch events, which is the most commonly used, or invigorated. This trigger will initiate the automation whenever someone books an event through Calendly. After selecting your trigger, the next step is to connect your Calendly account to Make.com. To do this, click on the option labeled Add Connection. Following this, click on Sign In with Calendly. A new window will open, prompting you to authorize access to your Calendly account. Once you have granted the necessary permissions, click Save. You will see a confirmation that Calendly is now connected. Now that your Calendly account is connected, you need to choose the specific event you want to track. In the Calendly module, select your organization from the drop-down menu. If you want to filter by event type, you can do so at this stage as well. After making your selections, click OK to proceed. The next step involves adding an action app to your scenario. Click the plus sign again, which is located after the Calendly module. You can select from various action apps such as Google Sheets to add a row, Gmail to send an email, or a CRM to create a contact. There are also options to send notifications through Slack. Once you have selected your desired action, Make.com will automatically send booking data based on the triggers you have set up. To ensure everything is functioning correctly, you will need to test your automation. Click the button labeled Run Once. This will allow you to simulate a booking, proceed to book a test meeting in Calendly. After the booking is complete, confirm that the data appears in the designated action app as expected, verifying that the automation is working. Finally, to enable your automation, toggle the scenario on. Once this action is completed, every new booking made through Calendly will automatically trigger the actions you have set up in Make.com.